We are at Rafi Marg right now, which is another major route that people usually take every morning, which is of course blocked at the moment to keep the protesters away. As you can see, a water cannon is here. There is full preparation in case protesters come back to march in towards prominent spots, and there is of course heavy deployment. There are security officials here prepared with lathis in case protesters try and push into these major routes, which are of course prominent spots of Delhi, which are at the moment blocked. Protesters, of course, and commuters facing difficulties at the moment. On the other side, Raisina Road, another major arterial route, is blocked at the moment. Heavy barricading, security officials prepared in case protesters try and make their way through these major routes at the moment. But of course, there is utter chaos. Commuters are finding it difficult to reach wherever they have to go. They are trying to find out alternative routes from the same security officials who are, stopping them and not letting them through. This is, of course, full preparation to keep crowds away from India Gate and away from Vijay Chowk. This is Raisina Road, of course, leading right through Vijay Chowk and Rashtrapati Bhavan. As you can see, heavy barricading, security deployment here. We've been talking to these security officials who've been telling us that there is preparation in case protesters try to strike back and organize themselves in groups. But of course, at the moment, there is also confusion in the minds of the common man who is trying to figure out, if at all there is a protest that needs to be organized. There is confusion. There is also difficulty on ground which commuters are facing, but they again believe that it is all worth it if it really means that some action will be taken and authorities will wake up from their slumber. But of course, at the moment, Delhi police and security officials trying their best to keep protesters away from organizing protests. With video journalist Nikhil Rastogi, Molly Gambhir in New Delhi for NewsX.